back with another FAA Part 107 test prep question of the week, and this week we are going to be focusing on reading a METAR. Okay, so I pulled this one directly from the FAA's Remote Pilot Small Unmanned Aircraft System Study Guide. I'll link to it in the description below. But here's the METAR. In this METAR from KGGG, the first layer of cloud coverage begins at what level? And so your three options are overcast at 800 feet, overcast at 1200 feet, or broken at 800 feet. Now remember, these are always going to follow the exact same pattern. You're going to have the name of it, it's a METAR, that's the type of report. You're going to have the station identifier, which is KGGG here. You're going to have the date and the time of report, which is the 6-digit number there, plus the Z at the end for Zulu. You're going to have any sort of a modifier, and here the modifier is auto, which means it was automatically generated. Next is going to be wind, then visibility, then you're going to have your weather phenomena. You're going to have your sky conditions next, which is actually what we're looking for here. Then you're going to have your temperature and your dew point. You're going to have an altimeter setting, and if there are any remarks at the end, it will say RMK for remarks, and it will tell you what those remarks are. So here, like I said a second ago, we are focused just on the area after weather. And so the weather here is going to be the plus TSRA, and then the BR for mist. Doesn't make any sense to me, but that is the abbreviation for mist. And after that is the sky condition. So here it says BKN at 008, OVC 012. So based on that information, it's not going to be overcast at 800 feet. It's not going to be overcast at 1200 feet because that's not the first layer of clouds. The question is the first layer of cloud coverage. And while there is an overcast layer at 1200 feet, it's not the first layer. So the first layer is broken at 800 feet. So the other thing to remember here with the sky condition is that you're always going to knock off the last two zeros. So where it says BKN 008, you can just assume that there are two zeros behind that. Where it says OVC at 012, that's 1200 feet because you're going to add two more zeros to the end of that. Just for some clarity here, a broken layer of clouds is anywhere between 5/8 and 7/8 of the sky is covered in clouds. Overcast is completely covered. There are different variations. You could have like scattered, which would be 3/8 to 4/8. You could have few, FEW, and that would be 1/8 to 2/8. You can have less than that, which anything less than an eighth is just considered clear.
If you enjoyed this video, it was helpful for you, give me a thumbs up, a like, and go ahead and subscribe.